Right, a quick disclaimer, I did not purchase these, they were actually sent to me, so I just wanted to get that out of the way. And as always, I will do an honest review and give you my personal opinion, which is all I can do really. So, apparently they're sweat proof, comfortable to wear apparently. I do find these a little bit fiddly to put on, by the way. Super long battery life, and one of the things I liked about these when they asked me if I like to do a review on was I like the actual case because it's got a little LED screen on it, and I'll show you that in a minute. So this is the model BX17 wireless version 5.1, and it says playtime is 13 to 15 hours apparently, or 52 to 60 hours with the charging case. So basically, you know, put it back in the charging case, it charges them up again. Noise reduction, automatic link, sweat proof, comfortable to wear. Oh sorry, comfortable experience apparently. 6 independent keys, built-in mic, portable charging case, sport. Yeah, because they go around the ear, see, they shouldn't fall out. But like I said, I do find them a little bit fiddly, these ones to put in, but once they're in, you're alright. So we have the instructions as you would expect. I'm not going to read the instructions because they should be basically connect, but the instructions will be useful because if you need to know how to use the buttons, might be handy. So we have some spare ear pads or earbuds, and they will be 2 different sizes. Not going to get them out. A USB to USB type C connection for charging up this. Let's get it open. So on the back, USB type C connection for charging up, and voila. Right, oh, it's showing 88%. There you go, it's charging. Now, is that the actual case? I would have thought it was, not actually the earbuds themselves. So the idea is you take them out. There's no bits of plastic on the bottom. Some of them have bits of plastic covering these little sensors so they don't charge up, but for some reason these haven't got them. Oh well, which is bonus sometimes. So can we find them? Earbuds. It should come up on my phone. It should say, I don't know, what's it, BX17 is it? Yeah, oh, BX17, yeah, it should come up and say BX17. And I can't see it. Oh, there it is, BX17. Sorry, I was looking up there, not there. So just click on that, pair in, should be really simple to do. Allow access, power. Done. Right, it's 90% on the battery, which is about right, and it said 88 there. Right, let's have a go at putting them in. Like I said, I always find these a bit fiddly. Take my glasses off. Do you put them over the ear first? See, I'm never sure. And then in here, or in here, I prefer in here. So in here, and then over my big logo. Ah, there you go. I got her. She's in. Same again with the other one. Like I said, I always find them a bit fiddly. That one went in a lot easier. Right, do the shake. Yeah, they feel comfortable. They do feel quite comfortable actually. Right, what can I have a listen to? A bit of music.
12 seconds later.
Right, buttons. Let's have a mess about the buttons. What have we got? We've got one on the bottom now, can feel it. I've got one on the bottom there. So on the bottom, I can't feel nothing now. Oh, inside. So you've got a button there and another button there. So it's 3 on that one. And same on that one. Right, what's this one do? Right, that's plus button, up in the volume. Well, that's quite easy. Oh, that's very easy. Now, is that the same on this side? No. Oh, it is. Right, what's this button do? Pause. Play. Right. Pause that a second. Right, so the plus and the minus, I believe they're plus and minuses on both sides, are for adjusting the volume up and down. Very easy to understand that. The bottom button, if you just press it, pauses. What's the left one do? Same? Yeah. What about if I hold it? Oh, comes up Google. What about this one? If I hold this one? Same. Okay. I might have to read the instructions. Just so I've got a better understanding what to do. What about if I hold the plus button in? Nothing. What about if I hold the plus button in? Minus button on this one? Ah, right. So if you hold the minus button in, it goes back to the next track. Yeah, so if I hold the minus button in, will it do the same? Yeah. Plus button should go forward. Yeah, very easy. I haven't even read the instructions yet. Right, let's have a listen to the quality of the audio. Nice bit of bass. Very good treble actually. Oh, sorry. Got carried away. Pause. Right. Yeah, I got carried away. So apparently these have built-in noise reduction, automatic link, quite easy. So once you've linked them up for the first time, as soon as you take them out of the case, they should just link. You shouldn't have to mess about them. Sweat proof. For some reason I keep thinking of sweet proof, but they're sweat proof, and a comfortable experience. They're not uncomfortable, that's for sure. 6 independent keys, which I've just gone through. Built-in mic. I haven't done a phone call yet, but I would have thought that would have been fine. And portable charging case. Well, it is. Most of them are portable. Actually, it's quite a nice design, that, isn't it? I've seen that. It's quite nice. Right, so much power left on this. 88% is left on this. USB Type-C connection. It's got a nice look at, like spit it out, Yorkie. It's got like a plastic shiny bit there, like it wants to light up, but there's only that bit there. And also shows you charging when I put them in, that is. I'll show you in a second. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a bit of a play about with them. I'm going to actually get my wife to phone me up. Actually, she's not here. I'm going to get myself to phone me up onto my mobile and see how easy it is to answer the call.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's phoning. Hello? Yeah? Now you can talk. Well, that was a coincidence. As I was about to phone me, my wife phoned me. So that's sorted. Quality of audio, speech audio, nice and clear, and she could hear me nice and clear. No issue with that whatsoever. So with that, let me know in the comments whether you're thinking about buying a pair of these or you've already got some. These are the BX17. Link in the video description in case you want to go and check them out. I don't know how much they actually cost because at the time of making this video, they're currently unavailable. But I'm sure by the time you see this video, not 100% sure, they should be available. So it definitely gets my thumbs up because there's no interference whatsoever. Nice crystal clear audio, which is what you want, and they feel comfortable, and they should be waterproof. So with that, I'll shut up now. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.